Good morning, YouTube. Had kind of a late start to the day today because I slept in, but I got the kitchen cleaned, cooked lunch, and me and Cole are gonna hang out and get some ice cream. Let's go. And there is lunch today, guys. Just a mountain of chili cheese dogs. Woo! He run.
Hi.
Just a couple of dudes being bros.
Let's go.
My loyal fans.
Let's go.
We're social distancing, guys. Social distance. No Rona.
All the chicks looking.
Bye.
Phone comes up, alright, strong.
Hi.
Bye. Bye.
Shout out your art page on Instagram. Art.
Go, go, go. Get him! Get him! Woo! Luke's eating on the floor.
But anyway, I've been seeing search parts.
I eat that ham, make the casserole.
Look, listen to the people.
You did exactly what I asked for.
I'll play the dog guess. No, you're going to get the dog to get food.
Alright guys, thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, sub, share, hit that bell, and as always, I'll see you in tomorrow's episode.
Bye, Grandma.
Bye.